Cochlear is here to support you and your patients on their hearing journey. In this series, we outline the process, resources, and support available to you and your patients to help ensure a smooth transition to a Cochlear next-generation sound processor. The first step is to determine if a patient is eligible for a replacement sound processor through their insurance. There are multiple ways a patient can learn they might be eligible for a replacement sound processor, including communications from Cochlear, a conversation with you, their clinician, or through previous experience. If you or your patient is unclear on their eligibility, we encourage either of you to contact Cochlear to investigate their specific insurance benefits. Patients and professionals can call the customer experience team at 1-800-483-3123 or email them at upgrade@cochlear.com. Patients are typically deemed eligible for a medically necessary replacement sound processor by their insurance company when their device is out of warranty and one or more of the following occurs. The device is lost or stolen, the sound processor no longer meets the patient's needs, including activities of daily living, or the device is retired or obsolete, which is a normal part of a product life cycle that occurs as technology advances. It is important to note that insurance company policies may differ in what they consider medically necessary. However, there are a few common themes. The details will be covered in depth in the clinical documentation video. Cochlear also has a recipient-facing video on medical necessity that you can share with patients who want to learn more. Warranties for Cochlear implant sound processors typically last 5 years for the initial device at implant and 3 years for sound processor upgrades. Warranty status can be accessed by you or your patient in your respective Cochlear portals. As the audiologist, you can find a patient's warranty status by logging into the My Cochlear Clinic professional portal and looking at device information for a specific patient. Patients can log into their My Cochlear account and find their warranty status under My Equipment. In Custom Sound Pro, you can identify individual patients or pull a report to identify a group of patients who have had their device for more than 5 years. For a step-by-step tutorial, please visit Cochlear Pro News. Next-generation technology may provide additional capacity for functional auditory-based improvements. Ensure your clinical chart notes clearly document how a new sound processor may impact the patient's activities of daily living and improve their hearing. When older devices are retired, Cochlear will communicate to you and your patients with ample time and support to begin planning. The decision to phase out production and support of aging technology is made carefully, considering multiple factors. To learn more, please speak with your local Cochlear representative. We're here to help. If you or your patient is unclear on their eligibility, we encourage either of you to contact Cochlear. Patients and professionals can call the customer experience team at 1-800-483-3123 or email them at upgrade@cochlear.com to help navigate coverage.